Hello everybody. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of all my videos from the Reed channel. And so today we are going to look at all my airplanes and fuel trucks and stuff like that. So first, this is the B1. Take these off. The wings fold in and out, you see. And I should be able to put it in lock position like that. I think I am, yep. So you see they're in lock position like that. You see, everybody. And then, so that's what's on this guy. And then fold them back out. You see, and then, so then we do that. And then put this piece back on. So, should we just move on from this one? Guys,
okay.
Watching the video. This is the B2, and I have this little support vehicle pulls the airplane. Same with this one. You see this pulls the B2, and then the B2 has the American flag. Then this guy has some ammunition that you can change out. Same with this guy. If you'd like to see it, there that is. There is that one. And then I got a fuel truck to put fuel in this B2. You see. Then we got this 747. It's the one to carry the space shuttle, but instead of space shuttle, I put F-35 on it, which you can change into F-18. If you take these off, it turns into F-35, but right now I have it in an F-18 Super Hornet. Then this little stairwell can connect and people can walk in and out. Then I got this right here. You see I just made this one up. It isn't based on any airplane. And this is a C5 Galaxy. Has that little thing. It's like a radar. Just made the radar up on it. And then this is the F-22. You see the engines kind of look good. And got two little things on the side. Well, like ammunition bombs. And then this guy is the SR-72. Instead of the SR-71, it's called the SR-72. And then that thing can go really fast in real life. They haven't made it yet, but once they make it, it will go like Mach 5. So then that's everything in this video for now. And bye till next time.